design ni God in our lives, to be reminded na there's always a good time for everything. Diba?
Perfect timing naman lagi yung timing ni Lord. Nakaka-bless din talaga na iba't iba yung season natin sa buhay. Kagaya nga sabi mo na merong fall, may winter, may spring, may summer. Depende na lang kung nasang season ka ngayon.
Assess mo din kasi baka naman you're looking for growth right now pero ang season pala ni Lord for you is nasa fall. Like,
Okay,
assess mo
yeah.
din, are there things that's hindering you from growing? Baka kailangan mo nang mag-shed, baka kailangan mo nang mag-unload ng mga backpacks or mga things na hindi naman necessary for you to bring into the new season. Baka kasi hindi ka pa ready. Or the same thing na katulad nung pag-shed, na you will never actually grow and reach to your new form or yung parang
Kung
in a
hindi ka
tree
mag-share.
kung hindi ka mag-shed kasi it's a necessary part of growth. So yung pruning, hardship, that's part of the journey.
Galing talaga ni Lord, no? Paano niya dinesign. Paano lahat maririnig.